Here's all about how the Robinhood margin investing works and why it can be extremely risky. Investing on margin means borrowing money from your broker so you can invest more than the cash you currently have. In this example, if you have $1,000 in eligible assets, you could borrow another $1,000, giving you $2,000 to invest. But margin is a loan, so you have to pay interest on the amount you borrow. The transcript gives a starting rate of 6.75%, although rates can change. The biggest issue is that margin magnifies your losses. For example, if you invest $2,000 and the stock falls 25%, you lose $500. Since only $1,000 was your own money, that $500 loss represents 50% of your original investment. If your portfolio falls substantially, you could also face a margin call. This means the broker may require you to deposit additional money. If you don't meet the requirement within the specified period, they can sell investments in your portfolio to recover the money they lent you. So, while margin can increase your buying power and potential returns, it can also make losses much larger. That's why margin investing is extremely risky and generally isn't recommended for most investors. That's it for this video. Thanks.